Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can create categories from a budget and then create a pie chart on those categories. So on the screen, I've got the end product. So you've got some budget spend here at the top with these different items. I've then grouped these items into fuel, utilities, entertainment and loans and created the categories there and based a pie chart on the result. So you can see the result there. So I want to recreate that on a different sheet. So let me just copy some of this. So if I just copy this chunk of text across the top and put it onto a separate sheet so we can start from there. So just paste that in there. Everything is okay. And then I want to copy these items. Copy the sort of spend, if you like. And then I want to put those into categories. So fuel will still be fuel, but then water is utilities, so is gas and electric, so I can pull that down too far. Media is entertainment, so is phones. Do a Control D there to duplicate, and loans is loans. So I've got my totals there. Now my categories there, should I say. Now I need to find the figures, so that is the totals at the end. So I'll go equals and just grab the totals at the end and press enter on that. It says, do you want to do fill down? Yes, I do. I have to press Control Enter to do that. So then I've got the information there. Now I want my categories listed. So I'm going fuel, utilities, entertainment, and loans. Like that. I also want to use names. So I'm going to call this list. Just a list. Press an enter. I'll call this total. Total. Press an enter. The reason I'm doing that is so that I don't have to worry about dollar signs and locking cells when I pull this across. Now I want to use the SUMIF function. So the SUMIF function is equals sum if, open the bracket. Now it wants to know what this is called, so I called that list. So I'm looking down list, it's highlighted it, comma, I'm looking for whatever's in the cell above, which is E11. When I find it, comma, when I find whatever's in E11 in that list, I want to add up the total. And then it's highlighted the total. Close the bracket, press enter. I get the figure for fuel, which is the same as that, so you can see that straight away. And then I can just pull that over because I've used names, and it will put the rest in. So 3252 is the total cost of utilities. So if I highlight the three of them, you get down the bottom right there what the sum is. So it's exactly the same. 3252. So it is doing what I want it to do. Now, if I want to put these into pounds, I can click on the pound sign there and just put them into pounds. Now what I want to do is highlight the four of these, create a pie chart. So I'm going to the insert option, insert tab, and then selecting chart. And it comes up with a column chart, which is okay, but I don't want a column chart. I'm going to go for a pie chart. And that's the pie chart. Just move that down a bit underneath this. Resize it. Now it's actually done everything I want it to do. So it's actually giving me the categories with the percentage total. So loans is 40% of my total spend based on what I've set up here. So that's your budget. This is the categories. You broke it down into categories, and then you've generated a pie chart based on the SUMIF function results. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can categorize budget spend. Thanks for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.